Okay, now we have an Acer laptop. The model is Z1402 46. This laptop coming for no power. Let's try to yeah. We use the charger first. Here's my charger. Yeah. Yeah. There's no power. Let's open the laptop. Okay, the laptop has been opened. Now we check for the server on this board. Yeah. Mhm. In the main power rail. Okay, the main power is not short. Yeah, this PL is okay. Okay, this one is okay. Where's the other? This one is okay. This one okay. 46 46 ohm, yeah, 46 ohm. This is for what, yeah? I don't know, this is for what? Yeah, maybe this is 5 volt. I don't know. Okay, there is no short on the inductor. Now we test with power supply. Yeah, maybe you can see the fan is spinning, and then stop. We check the voltage. Okay, nothing. Here, nothing. Okay, main power rail. Okay, 19. Nothing. Nothing. 10 4. What is this? 10 4. Yeah, something. This is nothing. This one is 10 4. Yeah? I don't know what is this. Uh, this one. Okay. This is 10 4. I don't know what is 10 4. 9.824. Okay. What's wrong? This is not other. I don't know. No, maybe I will use the thermal camera to make this is faster. Now I use the thermal camera. Okay. Anything obvious, yeah? Okay. I will open the board, to see uh, in the back of the board. to see what happened. Okay, the motherboard has been opened. Now I open the heatsink of the processor because I hear something sound like click, like click. Yeah, I don't know where this is coming from. Yeah, strange sound. Very strange. I will check the voltage. Okay. Oh God. Yeah. Maybe this is. Yeah. Voltage. Yeah. 5 volt is present, but after that it's removed. It disappears. Yeah. Over 3.3. Yeah. Oh, you can see. Sorry. Maybe this is 3.3 when I push the and then the 3 point and then the 3.3 is disappear. See? Okay. 4.2 and nothing. Here 2.7 and nothing. What's wrong? What is this? I think this is wrong, eh? Four pin is grown. It's all grown. Maybe this is, what is this, eh? What chip it is. Okay, I want to find some, and yeah, schematic, eh? I will find some this schematic of this board, yeah. Okay, we continue working on this board, yeah. I have been replaced this driver. This is NB61 driver. This is for 5 volt output. What why I removed this driver, this IC driver, because the 5 volt always is not coming on. As a schema like this, uh, yeah, this 5 volt must be first. After that, we will trigger the 3.34. So because the 5 volt not coming on, yeah, and I found this 5 volt always is driver by this IC. I check this IC, yeah. I check the input is okay, is 19 volt is present, and then I check the enable pin. Enable pin is present, is then about 8 volt and present, but the 5 volt always is not coming on. So I replace this. To uh, to check to make sure the 5 volt always is coming on. Now we check after I repeat the 5 volt is coming on or not. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Plug in the adapter. This is 5 volt. You see? Maybe you can see here. No. Where? Okay. Okay. 5.084, and the 3.3 is here. The 3.3 is here, like this. 3.454. It's mean 5.4 and 3.3 is present. I think we will we can I will put this put on the uh, laptop and we will try. Okay, just a sec. Okay, I have been put it the motherboard monitor LCD, but hard disk no, because I just want to test is coming on or not. Yeah, screw open this, plug in the jacket, switch on. Yeah, you see, the laptop is coming on, and we fix this laptop. Yeah, yeah. I will stop this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this. See you in the next video.